Sup, Tank Nerds, Lottie here. After a nice little break, we're back working on the Centurion. We've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes, as has the owner of this tank. I'm going to give you a quick little update on what's new and what we're going to be working on. Okie dokie, you will see we have got lots more storage, which is really good. This is our first day back, by the way, so a lot of this is brand new to us. The owner's been doing all this really cool stuff. Okay, what has arrived? You will notice that there is a new Mantlet cover. Brand new, just made, looking pretty good. Still got to do, got to put the string around all of these little bits here. You'll see we have mock machine guns now in place. I do believe there's Peter. We've got some covers for the smoke discharges, which are those ones there. Just having a look around. We will be getting back onto the engine, but not today. We're just having a quick little run around and see what's new. We've got more radio sets, so we can install those. And we have lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of brown boxes. These are for the infrared equipment. So you'll see I've made myself at home here. Just running through the wiring for the infrared system and just making sure, cross-referencing that we've got the correct wires and making sure that we've got everything. So I've got to install all of our junction boxes and switch boxes, as well as all of our cables, which I'm doing at the moment. Yeah, it is nice to be back. The owner did pick up a few things. The auxiliary exhaust engine had holes in it. The exhaust had holes in it. So that's just being sent away and cleaned up. So that'll be good. It'll sound nice when we're all done with it. And the oil cooler, which was there, had some damage to it, or rather it was leaking a little bit while we were away. So that is being looked at as we speak. More stuff as I climb up. The owner has installed these groovy little antenna mounts, so that instead of having to plug them in and do all that, you can just simply, I'll not go all the way because it's going to hit, but yeah, they just pivot, lock them in, and then you can lay them back down. Fantastic idea. So we like that. Here's our nice Mantlet cover. It really does make the tank all the much more nicer. Okay, so far as we're running through, or I'm running through the wiring, the only thing we're missing is the correct shroud. So the way that this goes, it goes from the IR lamp, and then that cable plugs into that, and then it plugs into a shroud, which should be here, but we're sort of making our own until we can source an original one. If anyone has an original one, let us know. And climbing in here. Ugh. There we go. Ooh, awesome. I've just been fitting some more stuff for the infrared system. So the switch block will go in there, and then I have to head back down to the Metadyne because it plugs into it. So yeah, this is a learning curve even for me. Oh, turn that back. There we go. Yes, the infrared system is a very interesting system to work with, and I haven't done too much with them. And there we go. Ooh, bit close. So yeah, this is going to be really cool. I know the turret pretty well inside and out, but not so much the infrared system. So it's going to be a really fun experience for me. I get to learn as I do. So yeah, it's going to be pretty cool, and I'm hoping at the end of this we will have a fully operational infrared system that we can look at. So maybe, fingers crossed, a bit of nighttime driving, which will be awesome. In the background, so I haven't just taken a holiday for over a month. I have, but I have also been doing stuff in the background. Peter and I have been doing stuff in the background, which we will announce at a later point. It's really cool, by the way. I think you guys are going to like it. So when we're done all of this Centurion stuff, we'll be doing our next project. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm not going to give anything away. So, I think this is going to be a short little one just to get us back into the groove, and then I'm going to either be doing daily or I'm going to see how the algorithm goes, and I might be doing one every other day, just to see what happens and see what makes sense. Leave your comments, like and subscribe, ask questions. We want questions. And yes, there will be other big videos coming. So I've got to do one video on us driving around being little gremlins, or rather me driving around being a gremlin, knocking down trees and stuff, which is really cool. And I'm going to be doing a full video on how the electronics on the turret works. As I've noticed in a couple of the comments, people are under the assumption that this is just like any other sort of turret system. They're not. This is purely electromechanical in nature. There are no hydraulics, there are no computers. It is all just smart electronics, which I'm going to explain to the best of my ability. So I hope that is going to be good enough. So yeah, I've got that one coming, and I'm going to try and do a couple more fun little videos. So that's about it for the quick little update. I will be doing more in-depth stuff as we go along. So like and subscribe, leave a comment, ask questions, and I will see you tomorrow.